Good morning. It's Friday. Let's get going here. My thumb is still bothering me. It's going to bother me for a while, apparently. I've been working it really, all the time. When I'm not doing anything, I'm just working that thumb. I'm trying to it's hard to grip. And let me tell you something, when you don't have the use of your thumb, like full strength use of your thumb, and you can't bend it past that point, that's it. That's as far as it goes. This one I can bend all the way down. That's as far as that one goes, because of whatever's pinched in there is pulling on these tendons right up in this knuckle. It won't let, I think it's pinched in the wrist actually, but I've got a big lump right here, so that means that something's affecting it. But I can't bend it past that point, and I've been working on it. But it's amazing how much strength you lose in your entire quarter from not having a grip. It makes you feel weak, like you're weak, because I have a hard time with this right hand on this weight, holding the weight and everything else, and doing my presses and my curls, and everything is affected by that hand, and it makes me feel weak, even though I know I'm gaining strength. It just makes me feel weak. I've gone back to my original way of doing my exercises since I've eliminated the bendovers, where I bend over and then I do a squat, and then I bend over and I do a squat. I've eliminated the bendovers. So I've gone back to my original way. I did that last night, and I'm going to try it again this morning. And I'm glad it's Friday, because stupid sleeve. I'm glad it's Friday because I got to tell you, I need a break for the weekend. I really do. Let's get this started, and we'll see if I can avoid pinching a hand again. First workout of the day. Okay, that one's done. Getting a cramp in my back, right under my rib in my back. That's no good. All right. One, two, three, four, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, as you can see, I decided this morning I need to start pushing myself harder to go faster. Yesterday, I did my morning routine on camera, and I forgot to do my triceps. But I did it right after I turned off the camera. I went, forgot something. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, What day is this? Day 25, I believe. I can't remember. Anyway, it's Friday, and I've gotten to the point, if you start watching my videos from the very beginning, there'll be a playlist over here. It'll pop up at the end of this video. You'll notice I'm breathing better. I'm doing more in one set without putting the weights down. And I can get 2 full sets now without setting the weights down, which is a beautiful thing. And I think it's amazing how much I'm progressing just in the last 5 weeks. So I guess that's it for today. I'm still working on this hand. My doctor and my physical therapist have both told me, take some time off of working out until your hand heals. And I said, this happened years ago when I was climbing trees for a living. I couldn't just take time out. Had to make a living. I'm treating this the same way. And I said it in another video, if I stop what I'm doing right now, I'll just give up. I'll just quit. Because I need to do this for myself. And yes, my hand hurts like hell every day. And it really hinders what I can do with these weights. But I gotta say, if I quit, I'm just gonna quit. I can't let anything stop me from getting to where I want to be. And I gotta tell you, I think I said it yesterday, I feel thinner. It may not be much, but I feel thinner today. I can't explain it. I've just been feeling better and better and better all week. We'll know on Monday, won't we? All right, I will see you on Monday.